Okay, there it is. It came out of the electrolysis bath, and I'm going to leave some of the old patina on there because it's just going to get burnt. And then this is after just a small amount of time with a green Scotch-Brite pad or scratch-ass pad or whatever you want to call them. I am going to polish up the inside with the Dremel and some compound because there's a little pitting, but it's ready to cook right now. How does it cook? Well, I'd stand it right up against many of your Teflon pans out there. Huh? Look at that. That's an old stamped steel pan.